Why does your scanner show the P087B engine code? What does it mean? P087B is a diagnostic trouble code for clutch position sensor B circuit range or performance. This engine code indicates that the powertrain control module, PCM, has detected an issue with the sensor that measures the position of the B clutch within the vehicle's transmission. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty clutch position, sensor B. Damaged or corroded wiring harness. Failing clutch actuator, B. Transmission control module, TCM failure. Loose or dirty connectors. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford Focus models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.